much for watching. This is my friend Brenna. You guys already know her,
Hi.
but I don't think y'all have met Emily.
Hello.
She is our worship leader at church, and I'm super happy to feature her here today. We just had our first church service in person today after 6 months of online services. So it was very nice to come out of quarantine and see everybody, and thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Song. If you guys like what you hear, let us know in the comments below. Maybe we can do some more songs with Emily, feature her some more. If you want to support this channel, the best thing you can do is like and share this video. It helps boost the reach of these videos. It gets us more exposure, more people get to hear us. And yeah, leave us a comment below suggesting your favorite song maybe. Maybe we can do a cover of your favorite gospel tune. Until next time, be sure to follow and check out all our music. I'll leave the link to Emily's and Brenna's music down in the comments below. Follow them on Instagram and or the description or whatever.